The night sky is filled with wonder. From the billions of stars that make up the Milky Way to the billions of galaxies that surround us, there are still so many interesting, captivating, and awe-inspiring places to explore. The Milky Way is one of the most mysterious in the universe. The night sky is an all-encompassing blanket surrounding us, but what we can see from Earth, about 6,500 miles away, is only about 3% of what really exists out there. In other words, we have so much more to explore and learn about. We're going on a journey through the Milky Way. If you would like to leave Earth with us to explore some of the most spectacular sights in our galaxy, then show us with a thumbs up, subscribe to Uncovering Space, and look forward to the videos that will be waiting for you in the future. Let us begin the journey. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, which means that its shape is a flat disk with the center of the disk at its core. Our Sun and Solar System orbit around the center of the Milky Way, in a region known as the Orion Spur. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years wide and contains 200 billion stars. Did you know that the Sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way? The Milky Way gets its name because it looks like a milky band across the sky. It's about 100,000 light-years wide and contains around 100 billion stars. Most people think of the Milky Way as being a thin stream of light across the sky, but it's actually much more than that. In fact, there is a disc-shaped bulge at its center. This bulge is made up of old stars and dust. One of the most fascinating facts about the Milky Way is that it doesn't exist alone. When we look up into the sky, we see many other galaxies, but there are also two spiral-shaped dwarf galaxies that sit within our own. These two galaxies are known as the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, LMCs. The Andromeda Galaxy is the next closest galaxy to the Milky Way. In fact, it's so close that they'll collide in roughly 4 billion years. Did you know that there are at least 100 billion planets in our galaxy alone? That's an insane amount of potential for alien life. The Milky Way is a large spiral galaxy, and it contains about 100 billion stars. Most of them are small red dwarfs or yellow dwarfs like the Sun, but some are big blue giants. The Milky Way is also believed to contain at least 100 billion planets. That means that there is a very good chance that even if we can never make contact with another planet, it would still be able to support life. For instance, there is a planet called Kepler 452b which may have water on it. This means that if Earth was uninhabitable and we had to move somewhere else, this planet might actually be an option. Moreover, the Earth is in an entirely different galaxy than most other galaxies with living beings on them. The Milky Way is actually one of the most prolific places for possible life throughout the universe. The Orion Nebula is one of the most stunning sights in our night sky. It can be seen with your naked eye, but you might have to wait until November or December to get the best view. That's when this nebula is up all night long. This gorgeous nebula is full of gas and dust, and it's a hotbed for star formation. From Earth, we can see 4 different stars in the center that are emitting light from their nuclear reactions. The Coalsack Nebula is a swirling cloud that's found in the sky. The Coalsack Nebula is made of interstellar dust and gas, so it's not something you can touch. It's about 600 light-years away from Earth, and it's one of the most visible parts of the Milky Way from Earth. This incredible black nebula is named for its similarity to coal dust. The Helix Nebula is a supernova remnant that's shaped like a twisted cosmic jellyfish. It can be found just over 1,500 light-years from Earth, and still has an expanding shell of gas that reaches out to more than 12 light-years away. This Helix Nebula was created by a star exploding, so it's also called the Egg Nebula. The explosion itself happened around 2300 BC, and as the gas from supernova spreads outward, it leaves behind these beautiful colors. One of the most fascinating facts about the Milky Way is this: it has a supermassive black hole. This black hole, known as Sagittarius A, is located in the center of our galaxy and has a mass that is 4 million times the size of our Sun. The Milky Way also holds other smaller, yet still quite massive, black holes. The Milky Way galaxy also has 4 spiral arms that are filled with gas, dust and stars. These arms wrap around a central disk and are believed to be driving the cycle of star birth and death in the galaxy, something that can be seen in our own star system as well. The Milky Way isn't just one star system, it's millions of them. And while some scientists disagree on exactly how many there are, it's estimated that there are 100 billion solar systems within the galaxy itself, each consisting of tens to hundreds of billions of stars. The Milky Way has a giant halo of dark matter. It's a place where the visible material ends and everything else is made up of dark matter. This halo is mostly composed of things we can't see, but it plays an important role in the way our galaxy moves. Everything in space, including the Milky Way, is moving. The Earth moves around the Sun moves in the Milky Way, and the Milky Way cruises through space. The cosmic microwave background radiation left over from the Big Bang, is used as a reference point to measure the velocity of things moving in space. The local group of galaxies, which the Milky Way is part of, is estimated to be moving at about 600 kilometers per second, or 2.2 million kilometers per hour, in the direction of the constellation Hydra. Launched into low Earth orbit in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has been key to helping answer many questions about the universe, including the mass and size of the Milky Way as well as the age of the universe.